Thank you very much for the introduction. So, how to select perfect teammates? I think we all want to know the answer to this question because we know that we will work with different teams throughout our lives. And you have experienced it, especially in the past few months during the training. So let me tell you a story that may help us answer to this question. At my university, I participated in a contest with a project, and this contest was held every semester. In the first time, I participated with a team that was made up by 2 freshmen and one guy that had tried something similar before but didn't go so well. Most people would think that this kind of team aren't suitable for winning this contest. However, I enjoyed working with them because we had good communication. We talked about our ideas even though they were different, and we agreed on something because we all worked towards a single goal. The team was really diverse, but this diversity enriched the group and enabled us to win this contest. The next year, I decided to participate again with a different team. We were 2 winners for the past edition, and 1 girl who was invited to MIT to follow a course in order to develop a project. We didn't win the contest this time. So what was the problem that stopped us from winning if we had 3 outstanding members, experience, and a mentor who guided us throughout all this process? The problem was that we didn't have communication. There was a lack of communication. When we had a problem, we didn't talk about it. We just blamed each other. And even though the project was good, we were not comfortable with the team. Therefore, we had little motivation. At the end, we were just 3 actors that made things done separately and then joined it together in a little Frankenstein. So we were not a real team. We were just a group. Nowadays, people think that because you're in a group, you're going to have better performance. Like, being in a group has turned in the mind of many people into a guarantee of success. But this is not true. In a real team, you have members that work together and there is synergy between them, trust among them. They work together towards a single goal. They are like parts of a machine that work together to make the machine work in a good performance. And if there is one part missing, then the machine won't work well. During your training, you have learned many things about how to work in a real team. So let's put that on practice. It will be difficult, trust me. I was in your position last year, but it is worth it. So how can we select the perfect teammates? I don't know the answer, but I don't think it matters either. I think that the real question should be, how might we turn a group into a real team? Thank you.